Alright guys, so what I'm showing you here is what has been done on the upper part since the last time you saw us. We've got our fan in the back and our solar panels in the front. Awesome little setup. I'm super excited. So one of the things we did last night was we got the CB radio working and we added the cord opening holes to make it look a little bit cleaner. So we can flip through the music. I can't see anything. I guess I have to come in. There
Let me just look out my beautiful window. Beautiful, beautiful window.
What window?
Exactly.
It's gone.
JK,
at least for now.
These are walls. They're just mounted. We will have window holes.
Yep. So we got the walls cut out. We need to get them done. We're also this weekend, so we're going to do that this weekend. We're going to get the headliner done this weekend. What?
He said we're doing vinyl on the panels. Do you think we're doing it after we mount them in?
Vinyl on the panels. What are you talking about? On those? Yeah. So we're going to get all the woodwork done, and then the vinyl will be with the second to last thing we do. We're also going to get the TV console done, so we don't have a bunch of wires hanging out. What?
Don't think the seat's going to get recovered.
He said that also was later on the list.
Yeah. Also, we have gotten all of the wiring done. That was a big thing.
Yep. And Nevaeh and I worked very hard on the zip tie connection. Okay, so let's go show them the big new thing, the exciting new thing. I mean, obviously you guys saw that the sunroof, and we got our vent fan.
This is the biggest thing. I mean, it's pretty dang big.
Yeah, you ready?
What is that?
I was trying to open it before I did it. Don't be mean to me.
Oh god, I forgot how heavy this is.
Here, you need me to do it? Here. See if I can do it.
Bloopers!
It is truly stuck.
You come over here and you open it like this, and then come over here. So this is the table, and in here, it's not finished yet, but we have like pots, and then we have this for washing our dishes and all of our dishes and stuff.
Pot holder, okay.
And I didn't want you to do that. I had it.
Now get the side slide.
And then,
oh wait,
side door.
Does that have to come around?
Right here is our camper
Stove.
Yeah, camping stove.
There
we go. There's the right word. And right here we have our cutting mat. You open right here.
Hey, fake voice.
And you slide it barely out right there. And here you can put two different things right there. You can put your camping stove right on one of these two. And then you put it up. And then you put it all back where it goes. And then here you have an outlet. And it's really hot. That burned my hand.
So I was informed that this is not just any outlet, it is a very important outlet. It is the Boozy Blender outlet. Gotta have the Boozy Blender outlet. That's it for today, guys.
Like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff that everybody tells you how to do. I'm not going to tell you how to do it because you know how to do it. All you have to do is click a button.
See you guys on our next adventure.